innovations in the medical field and in technology arise, our future healthcare providers are able to work with computer scientists to develop and transform traditional healthcare. The term bioprinting comes from 3D printing, in which a machine is able to create a physical object. 3D printers have been making toys, jewelry, shoes, and even high-end furniture. Bioprinting works with biomaterial for drug research and could possibly create body parts in the near future. The advantages of bioprinting are revolutionary. Bioprinting could create human organs, test drugs on human tissues, and show disease modeling. Today, we're going to focus on how bioprinting is going to change the future of medicine right before our eyes. Bioprinting is important to tissue engineering. We've seen this technology put into work with blood vessels, bones, and even heart valves. This technology could be life-saving. In 2014, a young female had a condition where her brain was becoming crushed from an extra bone in her skull. Doctors rushed to save her life as traditional handmade implants failed. After using a 3D printer, doctors were able to customize an implant to fit her perfectly. This was the first skull transplant from bioprinting. The success stories are jaw-dropping. Bioprinting can not only be used for transplants but in pharmacies as well. Manufacturing pharmaceutical drugs is a time-consuming process. With 3D printing, companies will be able to make effective doses in a timely manner. Pills produced from bioprinting are already in some hospitals today. Companies like Fabrics claim to be able to convert any drug to bioprinting. The printing of pills will not only be an effective way to make doses, but would also add security to avoid counterfeit drugs. Bioprinting brings up many opportunities in the medical field, with endless possibilities for diagnosis and fast treatments. This new technology will continue to be used in the medical field as we become less hands-on